Okay, this is TempleOS 5-Minute Random Code Walkthrough, episode 68, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. Where did God take us today? It looks like we are in my, this is my distribution code for, this is one of my personal account files. The code is compiled and loaded into memory during my boot. This routine is for generating my website. And let's see what I'm doing. So this is this is a subfunction of when I make my website. I go through a list of files and I call, for each file I call this routine with the file name. So what I do is I change to my web directory. I collect all files, and then for each file that I collect, I process it. Then that's an interesting function. What is that? Free tree return. Oh, that's what that is. Okay, this just frees the directory listing. Okay, so for each file, this is checking if the file exists. That's kind of redundant. I think it's. Oh, I know what it is. It's to get the. That's to get the directory entry. So once we have the directory entry, then we have the date, time from the directory entry. So I don't want to modify my file times. So I save the old time. I uncollapse. What that does is if you have a tree, these are trees. So if I uncollapse the tree, that causes a write on the file that would change the date time. So I preserve the date time. Then I in the string I change the file name I make a version that has HTML instead of text or whatever. Then I convert to HTML. I give it the source file and the destination file, and I give it a header, and this is my HTML header. And then I restore the date time. That's kind of redundant. I set the date time of the second file to the same. Okay, now the reason I freed the full name is because file find gets a directory entry and makes an allocated. So directory entry is on the stack. It's a structure on the stack. However, one of the members is full name, and that doesn't get freed automatically. So you have to do that yourself. Anyway, I didn't free the. This is freeing the. I made this allocates a new name string, so I have to free it anyway. And this sets the date time to the original date time. Anyway, so that's it.